In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create job alerts on LinkedIn. This is a great way to ensure you're always in the loop with new career opportunities that align with your interests. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once you've successfully logged in, you should find yourself on the home page where you'll see a dashboard featuring various options to explore. Direct your attention to the upper part of your profile or dashboard and look for the Jobs section. Click on that, and it will navigate you to LinkedIn's job portal. Now here's where you can start tailoring your job search. Type in the job title that you're interested in. This might be something like marketing manager or data analyst, depending on your field. After typing in your desired role, take a look at the results that appear. On the page, you should notice an option to set an alert for this job. Click where it says Set Alert or something similar, and you'll notice the alert will be turned on. A message will appear at the bottom of your screen confirming that your job alert has been successfully created. Next, you might want to manage these alerts to ensure they meet your specific preferences. Look for the option that allows you to manage alerts, usually indicated by a blue link. Go ahead and click there, and it will lead you to a page where you can adjust how and when you want to receive these alerts. On this management page, you'll find a pencil icon. Click this to further refine your alert settings. Here's where you make some important choices. Do you want to receive alerts weekly or daily? Consider how often you'd like to stay updated. Additionally, you have choices for the notification format, whether via email, mobile notifications, or both. For my setup, I prefer receiving alerts daily, directly to my email. It's a personal choice, but whatever keeps you most informed and engaged should be your go-to setting. There's also an option to get notified of similar jobs when no jobs match your current search. If you're only interested in certain roles, you might want to uncheck this option. This ensures you receive notifications strictly aligned with positions you're aiming for. Once you've customized everything to your liking, don't forget to hit Save. LinkedIn will now send you emails daily, highlighting opportunities matching your criteria. Should you land a job or simply wish to stop receiving these emails, unsubscribing is straightforward. Just open one of the alert emails, scroll to the bottom, and you'll see an unsubscribe link. Click it, follow the prompts, and you'll be all set. And there you have it, how to create job alerts on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap the bell icon to stay updated on all our new uploads.